As physical security systems age, it becomes essential to refresh the technology in order to maintain strong protection against evolving threats. This goes beyond routine maintenance. It's about making strategic upgrades that not only improve system performance, but also enhance operational efficiency. A structured technology refresh planning cycle ensures that as threats and risks evolve, you are ready. This allows you to align security upgrades with your organization's goals, staying ahead of emerging risks, and future-proofing your system by adopting scalable, adaptable technologies. Refreshing your security technology ensures that your infrastructure remains robust in the face of new challenges. Just think about how quickly technology has changed over the past 5 years, and ask yourself, how fast will it evolve in the future? By integrating modern solutions like AI-powered analytics and cloud-based platforms, you can greatly improve your system's capabilities, making it more responsive to today's security needs while positioning it to adapt to future challenges. It's also important to consider the financial aspects. A technology refresh doesn't have to break the bank. By planning carefully, managing capital expenditures, and taking advantage of tax incentives, upgrading your system can be more financially feasible than you might think. Additionally, improving your security infrastructure can lower your liability risks, reduce insurance premiums, and deliver a stronger return on investment over time. A well-executed refresh process is not just about the tech. It's about developing a comprehensive strategy. This includes evaluating your current setup, identifying areas for improvement, and implementing new technologies in a way that aligns with your overall organizational goals. The result is a stronger, more resilient security infrastructure that protects your business, people, and assets, while preparing your organization for whatever challenges lay ahead. That's why your technology refresh planning is crucial to your business and keeps your physical security future ready. At Cloud Connections, we help businesses and organizations align where they are today with where they want to be in the future. Our team of physical security professionals can help you assess, design, integrate, and support your security solution, ensuring you are fully protected. Contact us today, and let's work together for a more secure tomorrow.